Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to hide an ad that you see while scrolling through Facebook, and then how to adjust your preferences to see less like it. We've all noticed ads while on Facebook and wondered, why am I seeing this? Advertisers sponsor their posts to get in front of as many people as they possibly can. But you can make some adjustments that will hopefully influence over time the types of ads and from what profile or company that you'll see. To hide a post, when you come across one that you want to get rid of, tap the three dots on the top right. To quickly hide the ad and never see it again, tap Hide Ad. You'll then be prompted to give a reason on why you want it hid. After you do that, it will then remove the ad from your feed and you shouldn't see it in the future. To go even further though, we'll tap Why am I seeing this ad? Here you'll see the settings that got the ad on your feed in the first place. At the bottom, you can then select Hide All Ads from this advertiser, and you'll no longer see their sponsored posts. Choose Make Changes to your ad preferences though, and then inside of here, we can make even more adjustments. Again, tap Hide Ads to the right of the advertisers in this list to block them. If you make a mistake and you want to unblock, you can always hit Undo. At the top, select Ad Topics, and you can then make adjustments to the ad topics that you see. If you want to see fewer political posts, for instance, hit See Fewer. And again, if you want to undo it, you can just hit Undo. And finally, you can select Ad Settings at the top, and then go through here and make even more adjustments to how Facebook delivers ads to you. Once you're finished, you can then head back to your Facebook feed, and now you shouldn't see ads from the profile that you hid. And if you made any other adjustments, then over time you'll see those changes to what is placed on your feed. And that's how you hide certain ads on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.